Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even more streamlined, but we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're holding XRP for investment or just exploring, this guide is perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and an Arculus wallet set up. In 2025, Coinbase has enhanced its interface with AI-driven security features, so log into your account using two-factor authentication for added protection. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP holdings. You'll find them under your portfolio section, easy to spot with the updated 2025 dashboard. Next, initiate the withdrawal process. Click on your XRP balance and select Withdraw or Send. You'll need to enter your Arculus wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address every time, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Arculus wallets now support quick QR code scanning, so if you're using the mobile app, just scan the code from your Arculus device to avoid any typos. Now, for the transfer details, set the amount of XRP you want to move. Remember, in 2025, network fees for XRP on the Ripple network are super low, often under a penny, but always confirm the current fee in the app to avoid surprises. Review your transaction summary, confirm it, and hit send. You'll get a confirmation notification almost instantly thanks to improved blockchain speeds. While the transfer processes, keep an eye on your Arculus device. It might require a PIN or biometric verification to accept the incoming funds. Once it's done, you'll see your XRP safely in your wallet. Always monitor your transactions on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. And there you have it. Your XRP is now securely transferred. This method keeps your assets off exchanges and in your control, which is crucial in the ever-changing crypto landscape of 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy investing.